this is Chandrakanta. You are watching Luxurian World. Luxurian World, which is India's first luxury website dealing into authentic handloom products. हम दुनिया इंडिया के हर कोने से वहाँ की एक्सक्लूसिविटी आप तक पहुँचाते हैं. Hello, we'll just see for some people to join in. Luxurian World, we have a website called luxurianworld.com. You can sit at your home. वर्ल्डवाइड से आप कहीं से भी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं हमारी साइट पे. टुडे दिस वीक इज रियली स्पेशल बिकॉज वी हैव मेगा दिवाली ऑफर गोइंग ऑन. वी हैव स्टार्टेड ऑन 14th. इट विल बी till 23rd of this month, and the best thing is we have a very unique discount system which we have started. Every 2 day the discount will keep diminishing. We have started with 25%, flat 25% off on all collection, and right now today it's 15% off for next 2 days, then 10% off, and then 5% off. So all the guys who have not placed the order till now, please go on our website luxurianworld.com and you can place order. Apart from that, what collection we have today, I'm here to show you some of a collection called Lavanya, which is a very party wear trendy साड़ी. पैठनी साड़ीज हैं. पैठनी की रेंज अगर हम बात करेंगे तो शुरू होती है 7-8,000 से. इट गोज अप टू 2 to 3 lakh also, but there are some affordable पैठनी साड़ीज एग्जैक्टली सेम लुक एंड फील सिल्क में है और लो रेंज में है, विच इफ यू वांट टू हैव the quality of or you want the same look like of a very expensive sari, you can get at a lesser price also. I won't say a cheaper because they definitely don't look a cheaper range of sarees. So this is one such sarees. पैठनी में जो लोग पहनते हैं उनको पता होगा मुनिया बॉर्डर इज वेरी फेमस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज अ डिजाइनर लोटस बॉर्डर आते हैं, फिर हाफ एंड हाफ साड़ी आती है, फुल ब्रोकेड साड़ी आती है. सो these kind of collection we are showing you today. These are some of the sarees which I am going to show you today. So without taking much time, so this is the first saree, and the range of these sarees are 7,900 till 8,500. That's the maximum price range for these sarees. Silk fabric में आते हैं. ये जरी का काम है, आप चेक कर सकते हैं. ट्रिपल मुनिया बॉर्डर बोलते हैं जिसमें 3 लाइंस होती हैं. सो दिस इज द एंटायर लुक ऑफ द साड़ी. पल्लू है. ये सारी पिक्चर्स हमारी साइट पे अपलोड हो चुकी हैं. आप साइट पे जाके लावण्या कलेक्शन चेक कर सकते हैं. आपको पूरी जितनी रेंज है हमारे पास आपको मिल जाएगी एंड यू कैन प्लेस दी ऑर्डर. सो दिस इज वन सच साड़ी. आई कुड सी मेनी ऑफ पीपल ज्वाइनिंग इन. गाइज, दिवाली इज कमिंग. ऑल दीज साड़ीज आर रेडी टू बी शिफ्ट. अगर आप आज भी ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं तो वी विल बी शिपिंग इट टुडे इटसेल्फ, एंड होप सो बिफोर दिवाली यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द साड़ी. बॉम्बे हो तो वी कैन डू वी फास्ट ऑल्सो द सेम डे यू कैन गेट द साड़ी. बट इवन आउटसाइड मुंबई जहाँ पे 3 to 4 days में डिलीवरी हो जाती है, वी विल बी एबल टू send this saree to you. If you want a blouse stitching, we can do that as well. So this is one such saree. Full peacock और पैरेट का काफ़ी काम होता है पैठनी की साड़ीज़ की अगर बात करेंगे. So this is one saree. Black is definitely every women's favorite. Occasion पे आप बहुत टाइम अवॉइड करते हैं पहनना, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इफ इट इज़ अ नॉर्मल गैदरिंग, yes you can wear it. The next the saree for today is a full brocade saree. So this is the entire look of the saree. It's not just the pallu, but the entire saree has this brocade look. So this is the body of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree. I'm not opening the entire saree because drape picture आपको हमारी साइट पे मिल जाएगी. इंस्टा पे अगर आप हमें फॉलो करते हैं तो you can see we have put some reels also of these sarees. So this is the saree 8,500. Today we have, as I said, 15% off is there, so you will be getting this saree in a offer price. This is the pallu of this saree. Very rich looking, very nice for the occasion wear. All the sarees come with a blouse piece. इनके जो blouse हैं वो plain blouse हैं with the border. So this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece and this is the border. जो ये डिज़ाइन होता है इसको हम मुनिया बॉर्डर बोलते हैं. सो एंटायर साड़ी इट हैज़ अ सिंगल मुनिया बॉर्डर. And if you want to see the back side of the saree, so this is the back side of the saree. So this is entire, this is, some people who wear dupattas and they don't want to go for a sari, then definitely this is a kind of fabric which you can take and you can make a lehenga out of it, you can make a suit out of it. 5.5 meter कपड़ा होता है साड़ी का. This is half and half साड़ी, काफ़ी फेमस है. अभी लेंथ काफ़ी है इसकी, 46 इंचेस की विड्थ आती है, सॉरी 6.5 मीटर टोटल फैब्रिक है. एंड जिसमें कि आपका ब्लाउज पीस 1 मीटर होता है एंड 5.5 इज द साड़ी. दिस इज अनदर वन अगेन विद द मुनिया बॉर्डर एंड हाफ एंड हाफ साड़ी. दिस इज द सो दिस इज द पीपल हु आर टॉल अभी प्लीट्स लगा देते हैं. उसके बाद अगर नीचे देखेंगे तो फुल ब्रोकेट का लुक आएगा. ऊपर हाफ पोर्शन तो अंदर चला जाता है, तो मतलब इट्स नॉट अ फुल ब्रोकेट साड़ी बट स्टिल इट विल गिव अ feel of a full brocade look. So this is, and the parrots are big enough, very lovely design which is there. So this is something which you can go for. Another one again a brocade, red golden काफी आता है. Something which people love is this is a purple color. Purple with the golden is again ये full साड़ी सेम है. This is, it's a Lavanya collection from Luxuriant World. We have launched couple of collection. Lavanya is one such collection. We have Inara, we have then in Chikankari Nurani collection. We have a collection for belts. We have for organza dupatta. So you can check our site. So this is another lovely color again with the मुनिया border. And जैसे मैंने बोला साइट पे सारे पिक्चर्स हैं. आप वर्ल्ड वाइड कहीं से भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. वी कैन गेट द ब्लाउज स्टिचिंग डन इफ यू वांट. यू कैन टेक अ फॉल एंड पिको वेडिंग जो भी है, हम फुल रेडी टू वेयर साड़ीज आपको भेज सकते हैं. दिस इज अगेन अ फुल ब्रोकेड साड़ी. दिस इज द पल्लू, रेड कलर में है, रेड एंड गोल्डन कॉम्बिनेशन में है. एंड बिल्कुल स्टिफ नहीं है, एकदम सॉफ्ट है. तो अगर आप फॉल की बात करेंगे कि आपको स्टिफ साड़ी नहीं चाहिए ब्रोकेड में, देन डेफिनेटली दिस इज समथिंग विच यू कैन गो फॉर. सो दिस इज द साड़ी. दिस अगेन द प्राइस. आई कुड सी सम ऑफ द पीपल joining in. Hello, you are watching Luxuriant World. Today I am showing you a Lavanya collection which we have recently launched. We have got a pretty good response for these kind of sari. Paitni, very dressy sarees for a party wear, perfect for any occasion if you have. And there are so many festivals coming up, so this is definitely, wedding season is going on. This is another color. जैसा मैंने बोला कि मुनिया बॉर्डर आता है या फुल वर्क वाला बॉर्डर आता है. सो दिस इज वन सच. मेनी पीपल आर देयर हु अवॉइड वेयरिंग फिगर्स. पैरेट नहीं पहनना है या पिकॉक नहीं पहनना है. सो फॉर देम they can go for these kind of sarees. If there's any specific color you are looking forward in these kind of sarees, you can just be in touch with our team members. Our number is 7710801701 7738869115. आप हमारी टीम से बात कर सकते हैं. Any particular requirement, they will be able to assist you. This is again a lovely piece, fuchsia pink, which is pink is everyone's favorite. So this is the saree. इसका एक तरफ आपका मुनिया बॉर्डर है और नीचे आपका फुल डिजाइनर बॉर्डर है. सीधा देखिए, फुल साड़ीज में बूटाज हैं. वेरी सॉफ्ट सिल्क, वेरी लाइट वेट साड़ीज. एंड the price range for these sarees are from 7,500 to 8,900. Right now we have 15% off going on our site, which will be till 23rd of this month. But yes, every 2 days the price is reducing by 5%. So don't wait for tomorrow. If you like something, order today. Apart from coming online live, it is not that we want to sell the products. मैं पहले भी आके बार बार बोलती रहती हूँ, the entire idea of coming ad online is people who are sitting, who are not in Bombay, because we are just online company, we don't have any store. So if you want to see the collection, or if you want to just have an idea that how the fall would be or what kind of material would be, so at least you'll get an idea. So this is the sari. This is the back side of the sari. Lovely purple color. Purple पैठनी काफी famous है. Many people go for it. So this is the one side, it's a broad border, the other side it's a narrow border. So it's again a lovely piece with the contrast blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. जैसे मैंने बोला, हम वर्ल्ड वाइड शिप करते हैं. आप इंटरनेशनल हो, अगर आपको पेमेंट है तो आप पेपाल के थ्रू पे कर सकते हैं. वी हैव Razorpay on our website, which is again affiliated with PayPal. Then we have Stripe system. You can pay by debit or credit card. Our bank details are there on the site. So if you want, you can even do a bank transfer. International अगर आप हो, any order which is above $400, you get a free shipping. Otherwise you have to pay $30. So like if you're buying this saree, so today 15% off, and then $30 for your shipping. So this is very different. Pallu is there. Normal जो parrot और peacock का design है वो नहीं है. You can see it's a lovely piece. Red color है, bright red color है with the munia border and the sari. So this is one collection. Then we have again a purple color. All these sarees are ready to be shipped. आप आज ऑर्डर करते हैं, हम आज के आज आपको शिप कर सकते हैं. If you are taking any additional service, then we can do that. The pink saree which I have shown you, it's exactly the same way. One side munia border, the other side it's a heavy designer border, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. So lovely piece again. If you don't like pink, if you want purple, you can go for this. So this is one such color. And if you see the design, it's very small and intricate work which is done in this saree. The other one is again a brocade saree. Full work. No, sorry, it's not a brocade. Okay, it's a Ashawali border saree. Ashawali pallu. Ashawali is again a very famous art form. So there's a combination fusion हमेशा होता रहता है. जैसे बनारसी बांधनी का होता है, आजकल कांजीवरम बांधनी का होता है. Same way पैठनी with कांजीवरम, पैठनी with what you say kalamkari होता है. Same way they have started पैठनी with the Ashawali border. So this is the Ashawali border. This is the kind of work which is there in the Ashawali border. So this is the entire pallu, and border is definitely they have kept the same border, and it has a running blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece of the saree, and the entire saree there are pickles in it. गोल्डन जरी बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है, इसकी जो गोल्डन जरी है दैट इज़ नॉट वेरी गोल्डन इन कलर. तो अगर किसी को बहुत गोल्डन नहीं चाहिए तो देन डेफिनेटली यू विल लव दिस कलेक्शन, लावण्या कलेक्शन on luxury wear. We will keep adding more and more sarees in this particular collection. This is again the saree I have shown you in a black color and a blue color. This is another color which is available. Half and half saree है. Big parrots are there. So this is a lovely green color. Green में ज़्यादा नहीं है. This is same design of a blue and pink color which I have shown you. The open pictures you will be able to see on our website. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree. Then we have a lovely blue color again. The same design. This is quite a light design by many people because one side it is heavy and the other side it's a munia border. So this is something which people are preferring a lot. So we have colors in this. We can get colors for other sarees as well. All you need to do is go on our website, check the collection. If there's anything specific in your mind, do get in touch with our team members and we'll be able to assist you. Okay. Again a fusion saree. हमने अशावली दिखाया. This is पैठनी with पटोला. This is the पटोला design. ऐसे में दुपट्टे भी आ रहे हैं आज की डेट में. This is the पल्लू. Lovely saree. We have 2 to 3 colors in this. So this is another one. This is the pullu of the saree. Very beautiful look. This is the entire work of the saree. इसमें अगर आप देखेंगे सिर्फ मुनिया बॉर्डर नहीं है, बॉर्डर में भी वर्क किया हुआ है. वेरी सॉफ्ट साड़ी, अ लवली कॉम्बिनेशन. एज आई सेड इसमें आपको कलर्स भी मिलेंगे. वी हैव 2 colors available, another colors. One is a blue color. So this is the color. Paichni with patola. This is the look of this one. Open pictures जिसको देखनी है, you can check our website, have a look. But this is something which very very nice, and they are not very heavy. They look very dressy, but not very heavy to wear saree, so easy to carry it. This is another color. This is a green color in patola, same way. This is this. And then the last saree for today. This is again जो अभी red color दिखाया, same में we have a green color available. It's a leaf green color. Many people they love green color, so you can go for this saree with a shavli pallu again. बहुत बड़ी जरी नहीं है, very light जरी which is there. It's a golden color, golden jewelry के साथ जा सकती है, but then not a very gold jewelry. So this is all for today. This is the Lavanya collection. I'll see you guys. As I said, there's an offer going on in Luxuriant World till 23rd of this month. So if you want to make your Diwali special, please visit our website, check the collection, because it's a flat discount which we are giving across all the segment. So whatever you like, shop from there. Very happy Diwali in advance to all of you. I'll see you guys on Friday with another collection. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.